Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Giffgaff SIM card step by step.
First, insert your Giffgaff SIM card into your unlocked phone. Now, open your browser and go to giffgaff.com/activate. Enter the 6-digit activation code printed on your SIM card pack.
Next, choose a Goodybag plan with data, calls, and texts, or simply top up with credit. If you're new, create a Giffgaff account. If you already have one, just log in.
Your SIM will activate in a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. You'll get a text once it's ready.
That's it. Restart your phone and your Giffgaff SIM is ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.